Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change country or region in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. Now click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and here you can see the option language and region. Click on language and region and then scroll down or now you can see the option region. Click on region. Here you can select any region. You can select any region. After that, go back to your home screen and now open App Store and then click on your account and then open your account and here you can see the option country and region. Click on country and region and here you can see the option change country or region. Click on change country or region and here you can select any country or region. So this is the way to change country or region in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.